Okay, Murphy. Hey, Murphy. Murphy, it's your turn to make supper tonight. What are you going to make? I don't know what I want. Have you asked Molly? What do you want? What do you want for supper? Should we just order a pizza? Yeah? Should we just order a pizza? Or are you going to make something? I don't want a bone. Oh, I guess you do. And I guess Molly does. So I guess we're having bones. Are we having bones for supper? Bones? Really? Well, if you can make them, go make the bones. You go make bones? You're gonna make bones? Well, then get in there. Hey, you. Go make the bones. Go make the bones. You want bones too? And you want bones? I guess it's bones for supper. You guys are funny.